Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a story from your gallery. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to add files or photos and videos from your gallery to your Instagram story. So Snapchat story. Go ahead and open Snapchat. And once you're in the camera tab, you're going to want to scroll up and make sure that you're in camera roll. As you can see, there are 4 options. Snaps, camera roll, stories, and my eyes only. You're gonna want to tap on your chosen picture or video, and basically all you have to do is once you choose it, just basically tap on send to, and then you're gonna want to tap on story. So let me give you an example real quick. For example, I chose a video, and now tap on story. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions or suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.